Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2 of Classic Shrimp Scampi, we'll cook everything step by step and show you how to serve it with style and flavor. Step-by-step cooking guide. Now that you've got your ingredients ready, it's time to cook. Shrimp scampi comes together fast, so prep everything before heating the pan. Follow these steps, and you'll have a restaurant-quality dish without the stress. Preparing the shrimp. Fresh or thawed shrimp should be cleaned and deveined for the best texture. Here's how. Peel the shrimp. Leave the tails on for presentation or remove them for easier eating. Devein. Use a small knife or toothpick to lift the dark vein running along the back. Rinse lightly if needed. Pat dry. Excess moisture prevents proper searing. Blot with paper towels before seasoning. Season lightly. A pinch of salt and black pepper is enough. The sauce will carry most of the flavor. Pro tip. If using frozen shrimp, thaw them overnight in the fridge. Never use warm water. It ruins the texture. Mastering the sauce. The sauce is what makes shrimp scampi irresistible. Avoid common mistakes like burning the garlic or skimping on acidity. Heat the pan. Use a large skillet over medium heat. Add olive oil and butter, equal parts, to prevent burning. Cook the garlic. Add minced garlic and stir just until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Don't let it brown. Bitter garlic ruins the dish. Deglaze with wine. Pour in a splash of dry white wine, scraping any browned bits off the pan. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes to cook off the alcohol. Finish with lemon and parsley. Stir in lemon juice and zest, then toss in chopped parsley right before adding the shrimp. Watch the heat. Too high, and the butter separates. Too low, and the sauce lacks depth. Combining ingredients. The final step ties everything together. Perfectly cooked pasta and sauce-coated shrimp make the difference. Cook pasta al dente. Reserve 1/2 cup of pasta water before draining. The starch helps thicken the sauce. Sear the shrimp. Add them to the sauce in a single layer. Cook 1 to 2 minutes per side until pink and curled. Don't overcrowd. Steamed shrimp turn rubbery. Toss with pasta. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet, tossing with tongs so every strand gets coated. If the sauce is too thick, splash in pasta water a tablespoon at a time. Serve immediately. Shrimp scampi waits for no one. The longer it sits, the more the pasta absorbs the sauce. Popular variations of shrimp scampi. While classic shrimp scampi is hard to beat, playing with flavors keeps it exciting. A few tweaks can turn it into a spicy kick, a creamy indulgence, or a lighter dish that fits your diet. Here's how to mix it up while keeping the soul of the dish intact. Spicy kick. For those who like heat, shrimp scampi is a great canvas. A touch of spice balances the garlic and butter without overpowering the shrimp. Try these simple upgrades. Red pepper flakes. Start with 1/4 teaspoon, adding more to taste. They infuse the oil early, spreading heat evenly. Jalapenos. Thinly slice and sauté with the garlic for a fresh, grassy heat. Remove seeds for less intensity. Hot sauce or chili oil. A dash at the end adds sharpness without cooking off the spice. The key is balance. You want the heat to complement, not dominate. Taste as you go. Spice builds fast. Creamy twist. Sometimes, a little decadence is in order. Adding cream or cheese transforms the dish into something rich and velvety. Heavy cream. Stir in 1/4 cup after deglazing with wine. Let it simmer until slightly thickened. Parmesan cheese. Fold in 1/2 cup grated Parmesan at the end for a salty, nutty depth. Mascarpone. A spoonful adds silkiness without making the sauce heavy. Pair creamy scampi with wider pasta like fettuccine to catch every drop. Just don't skip the lemon. It keeps the dish from feeling too rich. Healthy alternatives. Shrimp scampi can fit into almost any diet with a few swaps. These lighter versions keep the flavor but adjust the carbs. Zoodles, zucchini noodles. Sauté them briefly to avoid sogginess. They add freshness and crunch. Cauliflower rice. Toast it first for texture, then toss with the sauce just before serving. Spaghetti squash. Roast it until tender, then shred into strands for a sweet, mild base. Gluten-free. Use rice pasta or chickpea noodles. Just cook them al dente to prevent mushiness. The sauce will cling better if you undercook the pasta slightly. Each variation keeps the essence of shrimp scampi. Garlic, butter, and shrimp shining through. Whether you're craving spice, creaminess, or a lighter meal, there's a version for that. Serving and pairing suggestions. Once you've mastered the art of making shrimp scampi, the next step is serving it like a pro. The right sides, drinks, and presentation can take this dish from good to unforgettable. Here's how to make every bite count. Perfect side dishes. Shrimp scampi's bold garlic and butter flavors need sides that balance without competing. Think light, crisp, and simple. Garlic bread. It soaks up the sauce and adds crunch. Toasted just before serving to keep it crisp. Crisp salad. A lemony arugula or butter lettuce salad cuts through the richness. Go easy on the dressing. Citrus and olive oil are plenty. Roasted vegetables. Asparagus, zucchini, or cherry tomatoes roasted with olive oil add color and texture. Keep portions modest. Scampi is the star, and sides should stay in a supporting role. Wine pairings. A good white wine elevates shrimp scampi by balancing its richness. Stick to dry, acidic whites that complement without overpowering. Pinot Grigio. Bright and light, it mirrors the dish's lemon and garlic notes. Sauvignon Blanc. Its crisp acidity cuts through the butter, cleaning the palate between bites. Chardonnay. Choose unoaked for a cleaner finish. Oaked versions can clash with the garlic. If you're skipping alcohol, try sparkling water with lemon or iced herbal tea. Both refresh without competing. Presentation tips. You eat with your eyes first. A few easy tricks make shrimp scampi look as good as it tastes. Garnish smartly. A sprinkle of chopped parsley or red pepper flakes adds color. Lemon wedges on the side invite squeezing. Plate with care. Twist pasta into a nest using tongs, then arrange shrimp on top. Drizzle extra sauce over everything. Choose the right dish. Wide, shallow bowls show off the ingredients better than deep plates. Less is more. Let the dish's natural colors. Pink shrimp, golden sauce, green herbs. Do the work. Shrimp scampi proves that great food doesn't need to be complicated. With its buttery garlic sauce, tender shrimp, and quick prep time, it's a dish that works for both busy weeknights and special occasions. Its versatility means you can keep it classic or tweak it with spice, cream, or lighter ingredients. There's always room to make it your own. Give the recipe a try, and don't be afraid to experiment. Whether you stick to tradition or add your twist, this dish never disappoints. Share your version in the comments or tag us in your kitchen creations. We'd love to see how yours turns out. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.